In this video, we'll look at a program for bubble sort, and we have to see more sorting techniques, and all those sorts I will write on in a single program. So I'll be using the same project for showing you all the sorting methods. So let us start with bubble sort. So I will give the project name as sorts, and this is using C language. Here inside the main function, I will declare an array having few elements. So I will write on random few elements. So here I have taken 10 elements. So also I will have one variable n whose value is 10. So that's it, I am having 10 elements. Now let us write a function for performing bubble sort. Function name is bubble. It takes a integer type array and also its size. Now already we have discussed the logics. The same thing I will have to write down here. I will take some temporary variables like I and j, which I'll be using it for loops. So the procedure is for I assign 0, I is less than n minus 1, I plus plus. Then for loop, j should start from 0 and j should stop at n minus I minus 1, that is, it should stop one element less always. So it should go on reducing, then j plus plus. Then inside this, I should check the condition if a of j is greater than a of j plus 1. If so, then I should swap the elements. So for swapping, swap is a common function. So for that, I will write on a function just above this bubble sort. So I will directly use it here. Swap address of a of j with address of a of j plus 1. That's it. There's a bubble sort function. Next, okay. Then that's the end of for loop. That's it. This is the end of bubble sort function. Then I will write on swap function about this bubble sort function. That's all in bubble sort, and here I will write on one function called swap. So swap function which take two pointers like say x and integer y, addresses of two values. Then here in temp it should assign value of x, and the value of x should be changed to value of y, and value of y should be assigned with the temp. That's all. This is a swap function. And bubble sort is a very small function. It's completed. Now inside the main function, I will call bubble. Bubble sort, I will pass an array and the number of elements are 10. After this, I will display an array. So for that, I will take a for loop for I assign 0, I is less than 10, I plus plus, printf, printing an element, percentile d, a of I. So this will be displaying all the elements. After that, I will give a new line to get a proper output. Yes. Now for this, I should also declare one more variable. After n, I will declare one more variable I. Let us run the program and see. Yes, it has sorted all the elements, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12. I got all the elements in the sorted order. That's all in the bubble sort. We have already seen that we can improve bubble sort and we can make it adaptive by introducing a flag. So let us introduce a flag inside bubble sort. So here I and j already we have, so I will take one more variable flag, that is flag is initially 0. And before the start of every pass, I will make flag as 0. And inside this, whenever it is swapping, I will make the flag as 1, means there is a flag, there is a swap flag as 1. So as many times it is done, it will become 1 only. So at least one time if it is done, then flag becomes 1. Then after the first for loop, that is after a pass, I should check that if flag is still 0, it means there was no swapping done. So it means the array is already sorted. So break. So that's all. This is the improvement in bubble sort. So now it has become adaptive. So I will change the numbers and see how the bubble sort works. Now upon these numbers, let us run bubble sort. So I will not take so many numbers. I will reduce the size now. I will take only 4 numbers and n size is also 4. Now let us run bubble sort on this and see how it is working. Then we will give the elements in the... So now let us run bubble sort and see these are all sorted elements, how bubble sort is working. I'll put a breakpoint on bubble sort and now run. Now it will enter into bubble sort. Yes. Now you can see that the elements are already sorted, that is 3, 7, 9, 10, and there are 4 elements here inside the debug area. If you see, if I press F7 and go line by line, now it is entering into the first for loop, then flag is 0, then it has came out of the first inner for loop. Condition is false. Okay, condition is false. Then next time also condition is false, flag is still 0, break, it has came out. So it has performed only one pass, it has gone through all the elements only once. So that's all about bubble sort. We have improved it also and made it adaptive. So you can practice this program. That's all in this video.